So I know you guys can see that my skin is glowing. If you want to find out how I get this glowy skin, keep watching. So the first step in my skincare routine is to cleanse. And I usually cleanse and exfoliate in the shower. This is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. And it's a cleanser, makeup remover, and a mask all in one. It smells so good. So to exfoliate my skin, I'm going to be using the St.Ives Acne Control Scrub. And when I tell you this is bomb, this is so bomb and I love it. So once my face is washed and my pores are open, I'm going to start with a mask. So the mask I'm going to be using is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet. And all of these products that I'm showing you guys are really from Sephora. Like, that is my store. I spent so much money in there. But I'm just gonna unravel it and then put it on my face, all over my face, like so. So once it's completely on, I'm gonna leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes. So this is after 15 minutes, and I just look like a little cloud. So now I've washed all of the mask off my face, and I'm just gonna pat dry with a towel. And for the girls with the eyelash extensions, this is just an extra step that we have to go through. Now I'm gonna take the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. And this really removes impurities and softens my skin. So it's really just like a hydration toner. I'm gonna place it on a towel because I didn't have any cotton swabs, but I'm just gonna wipe it all over and then let it dry, let it air dry. So next I'm gonna take the Caudalie Beauty Mist, and I'm gonna mist it all over my face a couple of times. And this really has my skin glowing and it's very soothing. Next is lips, and you really cannot forget your lips. So I'm gonna be using the Sugar Lip Treatment, and this has sunscreen in it. So me being from the Bahamas, I'm always in the sun, and this really protects me. So the next product that I'm going to show you guys is the Hendriksen Truth Serum, and this works like magic to keep my skin so smooth and evens out my skin tone to make it perfect. Literally, I only put this on my cheek and my neck area because that's where I need it the most. I don't really put it on my forehead because my forehead is really oily, so I just tend to leave it alone. So in the morning, I do use the GinZing Origins Eye Cream, and this really brightens under the eyes. And if I don't get a good night's sleep and I wake up with, you know, designer bags under my eyes, I'm gonna use this to debuff. And I'm just gonna go in an upward motion. And then also on my eyelids. So to moisturize my skin, I'm going to be using the Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. And this is really good because it keeps my skin looking very healthy. And it's also very lightweight. That's what I love about it. So once I have my moisturizer on, I'm going to take my Jade Roller and I'm really going to rub it in my skin. So I'm using this Jade Roller really for circulation in my face and to really get all the products that I put on before deep in my skin. And it feels so good, so why not? Then I'm gonna use the smaller area of the Jade Roller and really get under my eyes. And this also helps with depuffing in the morning. So I'm gonna be using the Acne Control Spot Treatment by Murad, because as you can see, I have a couple of spots on my cheek and forehead that need to go like now. Let's not waste time. Let's try not to waste the product. So I really love this product because say if I'm going out and I have a stubborn zit on my face, I just put this on a few hours before, and by the time that I go out, it's gone and I have no problems. So my #1 secret to glowy skin is the Kiehls Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. And this really has my skin looking hydrated, and it gives me a really healthy looking glow. And so I just put this on my cheek area, not on my face because I don't want to look oily or anything. So just my cheek area. So the last step in my skincare routine is the Sol de Janeiro. I don't know if I said that right. I probably didn't. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And this smells so good. And I just put it all over my neck and my elbows. So this is the end of my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned some new tips on how to get glowy, clear skin. Bye! Make sure to subscribe and like below.